Today we are focusing on our lower body. You're going to need a set of weights, a box if you have it. If you don't, that's okay. You can do the moves on the floor, and a chair or something to sit on. You can use a sofa as well. Just make sure it's not too cushiony or you'll just sink right in and have a hard time getting back up. If you are new to working out, I suggest that you do not use the equipment, just use your own body weight. You're still going to get a great workout. And for those of you who are intermediate or advanced exercisers, I highly encourage you to do this circuit 2 times through. Dare I say 3. If you do it 2 or 3 times, trust me, you're going to know about it tomorrow. So I'm going to wear my vest. I've got 2 dumbbells. Let's get started. We're working at 50 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. Let me put my hair back very quickly. I forgot to do that. Your cardio move is going to be squats in and out, like this, jump squat, in and out. When you do this, I want you to make sure that you're keeping your abs in tight, your back is straight, and make sure that you're sitting down. I'm going to turn so you can see. Don't just bend over, you got to sit down, okay? So that is your cardio move. Are you ready? Let's go. In and out. Get your fingers all the way down to the floor. Make sure your abs are pulled in tight, your back is straight. Get those legs nice and warm. Keep going, you've got about 20 seconds. Don't stop. You got 10 seconds. Oh, your legs are feeling it already. At the beep, I want you to grab those dumbbells if you're using them. 2, nice job. Grab those weights. We're gonna squat. 2 squats, 4 pulses. Ready? Open up those legs about hip width apart. All the way down for 2. Really thrust those hips forward. And pulse for 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, down for 4. Make sure the weight is in the heel of the foot. 2, and back up. Keep going. Nice job. You got about 20 seconds. If the weight is too much, you can put it down. 10 seconds. Keep going. 2. Nice job. Come to the box. You're gonna put your left foot on the box. Scoot forward. Actually, you can put one of the weights down. You're gonna lunge and press. Make sure the weight is in the heel. Your knee is, your knee is not going in front of your toe. And breathe. All the way down, all the way up. If you don't have a box, you can do the same move on the floor. Keep going. 10 seconds. Nice. Switch legs, same thing. Switch legs, switch arms. Here we go. All the way down, up. If the weight gets too much, get rid of it. Just keep moving. Come on. Lose your balance, that's okay. Get right back on. You have 15 seconds. Keep going, stay with me. Oh, nice. Weights down, back to that cardio. Ready? In 3, 2, let's go. Make sure that back is straight. Abs are pulled in tight. Keep breathing. If it gets too much, you need to slow it down. Step in, step out. Just keep moving. You have 15 seconds. Oh, my legs are on fire. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Nice job, grab those weights. Squat, 2 squats, 4 pulses. Here we go. 1, really drive those hips forward. 2, 2, 3, and back up. 1, 2. Come on. You have 20 seconds. Keep the weight in the heel. Watch those toes. Seconds. Stay with me. 2. Nice job. Keep the weights. We're going to curtsy.
How you feeling?
Oh, tired. Get ready. Here we go. So you're going to curtsy. When you curtsy, make sure your knee stays in line with your ankle. Okay, step back and to the side. Do not let your knee do this. No. All the weight is still in the heel of the foot. Lift your toes in your shoes. You don't need them. 15 seconds. Three, 2, switch legs. Whew. Are you ready? Let's go. Other side, same thing. Oh, cardio and strength together kills me. You have about 20 seconds. If you need a rest, just keep the arms still or put the weights down. Keep going. You're almost there. You got about 10 seconds. 2, 1. Oh, nice job. Stay with me. I'm not going to stop. Don't you stop. And you just stay with me. Ready? Jumps, go. It's your last time doing these jumps. Make sure you're sitting down. Take your hips and your butt down to the floor. Legs are on fire. Keep going. You have about 20 seconds. Oh, come on, stay with me. 10 seconds. 2. Oh. job. Grab those weights. 2 squats, 4 pulses. Let's go. Really squeeze those butt cheeks. When you thrust those hips forward, squeeze them. 20 seconds. Stay with me. 10 seconds. 2. Nice job. Get rid of the weights. Come to your chair or your bench, whatever you're using. Here we go. You're going to sit down, extend the left leg, stand up. Oh, you're feeling these right now. Make sure your knee is not going in front of your toe. Keep the weight in the heel of the foot. It helps if you, excuse me, use your arms to help you keep your balance. Try to control your descent. So sit down as slowly as you can through the heel. 10 seconds. Keep going. Last one. 2. 1 more and you are finished with this. Extend the right leg. You ready? Here we go. Stand up. Whew. You're gonna find that one side is easier than the other. Totally normal. Just do your best. Keep going. You have 20 seconds. Don't stop. 10 seconds, stay with me. You're almost there. 2, 1. Nice job. That's 12 minutes. If you are advanced or intermediate and you really want to feel those legs tomorrow, hit replay, do it again. Join me for a burnout. See you in a minute.